Our topic for today is least common multiple. What is least common multiple? LCM is the smallest positive number that is a multiple of two or more numbers. For example, what is the least common multiple of 3 and 5? 3 and 5. To get the least common multiple, we skip count. So if we skip count 3, we get 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and so on. If we skip count 5, we get 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and so on. Since we are looking for the least common multiple or the smallest positive number that is a multiple of the two numbers 3 and 5, we find the smallest number in the multiples for both numbers. So, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. There is 15 in the multiples of 5. So, this is the same number that they both have. So, our LCM is 15 for the numbers 3 and 5. Now, we will try to apply the same simple principle of LCM in problem solving. We have here a problem. Carlo goes for a vacation in Cebu every 3 years and Siargao every 2 years. The question is, in how many years can he go to both places on the same year? So we have the given Cebu every 3 years and Siargao every 2 years. We will find the LCM of 3 and 2. So we skip count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on. And for 2, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. What is the smallest number that they both have in their multiples? So, 3, 6. You can also see 6 in 2 years. So, this is the smallest number that they both have in their multiples. So, our answer is 6. So, on year 6, Carlo will go to both Cebu and Siargao.